Hi there, my name's James Thorburn. I'm an Associate Professor of Marine Ecology here at Edinburgh Napier University. I'm currently the project lead on the Bluefish project. This is a really exciting opportunity. We were successful in getting some Marine Fund Scotland funding to support work on Scotland's sharks, skates and rays, collectively known as Elasmobranchs. We're not in this project by ourselves though. We're lucky enough to work with partners at the University of Exeter and also the Marine Directorate here in Scotland. So the Bluefish project aims to look at some of Scotland's most endangered, the conservation priority species. So we had three main species of focus: the flapper skate, the taupe, and probably one of the most enigmatic species in Scottish waters, the Porbeagle Shark. One of the main focal events of the Bluefish project was the Porbeagle expedition to Dunnet Head. So this project had to take place over winter due to the timing of when the animals were available and known to occur in high numbers in the region. So we were lucky enough to actually get out for 7 days, which in the middle of winter on the north coast of Scotland we were really chuffed with. And just to kind of reflect the high numbers of Porbeagle sharks that are in that area, we managed to get 14 tags away on sharks over the course of 1 week. Now, when I say tags, I'm talking specifically about tags like this. These are pop-up satellite archival transmitter tags, and what they do is they stay attached to the animal for a period of 1 year, and they collect data such as light levels, depth, and temperature, which allows us to recreate the animal's space use. After a period of 1 year, they're pre-programmed to actually pop off from the animal, float to the surface of the water, and they'll actually send us the data back via satellite. So if we get the tag back, we get all the data, but it's perfectly capable at sending us a usable summary if it pops off in the middle of the Atlantic. We've deployed these tags on the skate, the taupe and the Porbeagle as well. They're acoustic tags. They're much smaller, but a tag like this can last for up to about 10 years. Scotland has an incredibly unique marine ecosystem. We're at the converging points of multiple ocean systems, which means that we actually end up with a lot of incredible species diversity in our waters. Compared to the rest of the UK and other countries in the northeast Atlantic, we actually have an incredibly large, complicated marine environment. Now, if I was to tell you that we have over 60 species of sharks, skates and rays reported in our waters, I'd imagine that would come as a surprise to you, but we do. And that number really reflects the incredible diversity of those species we have here. So having a project to really highlight that diversity, as well as generate some much needed data on them, was a real opportunity. So combined, the Bluefish had a lot of successes. We ended up with over 30 animals tagged, with plans to deploy more tags through future work on that incredibly strong foundation.